Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to conduct a mock interview. About the question, tell me about yourself. I'm Joyce IRAKARAMA. I'm good at respecting scheduled calendars, time management, regard of urgency, excellent verbal and written communication, as well as accurate typing and data entry and reporting. I'm good at scheduling events like travel, conferences, and professional meetings. This goes with filing that allows easy access and quick access, maintaining records as well as recording meeting discussions. Again, I'm good at planning, organizing, conducting, and controlling projects, as well as preparing and summarizing reports. I will be honored to work in this position as healthcare provider because I want to provide a quality healthcare service as I wish it to be done for me. I really like the way your company responds to the requests of clients, like their wish of getting reliable office administration staff. Beside work, I like movies and jokes. On the question about tell me about your past work experience, during my internship at Kire Hospital, some of my tasks were to clean the laboratory apparatus and arranging them and looking for the availability of doctors. I've seen that this position requires filing and allocation of files, as well as scheduling patients and visitors. I'm confident that I can perform better as healthcare provider, excel as team worker in office, and excel as team worker in office administration staff. About the question, describe a time when you worked well on team. It was time when I have participated in the teamwork where we were working on one of the CFA group projects. Our group was made of 5 people, I included. We have to produce a group deliverables that are written, marketing plan, as well as a video reflection. Beside group deliverable, we have other independent projects. We had to provide our deliverables as soon as we can because we had to work to go home due to the outbreak of coronavirus, which required anyone to go home to reduce easy contamination. Every member had the task to participate into group projects as well as individual ones. I enjoyed working in a team and gave my full engagement to the teamwork in order to meet our set deadlines, because you can work on your independent projects while you are at home. We did our very best by sharing ideas, communication skills, as well as interactive skills. As the team coordinator, I have motivated others to sacrifice their independent projects and give much attention to this project. We finally made it because we submitted our deliverable and mastered them before going home. This has reduced the stress of how to find team members to help you work on group projects while staying at home due to prevention of rapid COVID-19 spread out. On the question, tell me about the time when you had too many things to do and had to prioritize your task. While working at Spark Rwanda, I had too many tasks to deal with at once. This where data were still being collected from the field, then had to merge the corrected data and data being corrected, enter them into system and analyze them to remove errors. My task was to update the boss daily at the end of the working hours by providing a report of the day's work. This was very tough because people in the field were working at the time. My working hours were over because it is where people who were there to give them information were available. To deal with this, I had to prioritize tasks. This is where I made prioritizing urgent care for rating tasks. If something is both important and urgent, it gets highest priority. Important but not urgent, it is the next, and urgent but not important, the next. The not important and urgent was the last in my prioritization scale. This made me and my boss be on good terms because I delivered the report prior to the deadlines, and this boosted the income of our business at the rate of 10%. Going on the question, tell me about time when you had to go above and beyond call duty and how did you handle the situation. It required me to be back on my internship at the Kile District Hospital. There was the time that required to sacrifice yours in order to leave things in order to prepare for tomorrow's work. As a laboratory apparatus screener and looking for availability of doctors, happened time when doctors were still operating on one and some materials were being used until late hours. To leave materials in order to have them ready for tomorrow's usage, I had to go home late, like 30 to 60 minutes. This provided a good results because materials remained ready for tomorrow's usage, and doctors who worked home late due to complicated operation had to be rescheduled on the following day. This improved the efficiency of the work. Going on the question, tell me about time when you worked efficiently under pressure. During my high school, I was selected to go to present my school in Koika exams. You know, there's exams given by the Koreans to students who are studying science combinations under biology course because I was the one who was excellent in that course. At this time, I was supposed to read all materials that Dean of Studies has supplied to me in order to present my school well. This was very stressful because it was combined by the term re-exams regarding the whole academic courses. I had the task to prepare the Quaker exam as well as academic exams in different domains. To work efficiently, I've made a to-do list that had an additional 30 minutes of biology revision after each subject. This helped me a lot because I've passed the Koika exam and presented well my school as well as obtaining good grades in academic exams. This has preserved my status in the school as well. Going on the question, give me an example of time you showed initiative. Um, While working on CFA projects that were meant to be done in groups, it was not easy to be selected to join a founded group. To prevent these things of waiting to be called upon joining a group, I've took an initiative to form my group. I took task of reaching to everyone and asked him or her if she is willing to participate in my group and to do on that project. I personally took my time and reached to everyone and asked if she is available and did not have to work on that project. Scheduled I scheduled the meeting and time and where it will take place, as well as allocating tasks to each and every member. The results are that we finished the project and mastered it before separation of students to go home for the prevention of the spread out of coronavirus. Going on the last question, is there anything else you would like us to know about? Mm, yes, actually, I don't believe that we talked about it, but I have a couple of years of experience in customer service, which I feel like it will serve me well as a healthcare provider. I will be able to anticipate questions and concerns that customers have and implement better process for solving customers' problems through active listening and asking probing and clarifying questions to get where their concerns. I feel that something sets me apart from other candidates, so I want to mention it. So thank you very much. This marks the end of my interview.